Hi everyone, so I've already actually shown you how to make a chair bow with templates, but I thought we'd do something a little bit different now, and just bear with me because there will be flashing lights during this video. So I got these super fun lights from Amazon, and let me just turn my lights off. This is what it looks. So let's turn that back on. And what's with these, I have placed them in the bow in places where you can still access the sliders, because this is the key with these kind of style bows. If you want to add lights to them, you need to make sure that either ones that you can tap on and off, or ones that you can reach in and adjust those just place that on, and again, can you see how cool is that? So they look really pretty at night time. Obviously it's slightly lesser effect, as you can see, during the day or normal light, but they're still really pretty. So this is a chair bow with a template. We've got these lights. I'll put the links in the description below. You will need two. So I got this massive bag. I think it's like 100 or 50 for like £13, which isn't a lot really when you can take into consideration that you can make like 25 or 50 bows. I think it might be 100, but don't quote me on that. And this is my 5-inch template. Obviously I have the wooden versions, but you can make your own DIY versions as well. And I've got two pieces of 3-inch ribbon, 14 inches long each. Okay, and what you do is we place this on the template this way first. I'm just going to make sure I've got my print the right way up. I don't think I do, so I'm just going to change this round. So you put your print from this corner, and you do need to heat seal your end, so we're just going to heat seal that down there so there's no fraying, and that makes it the right way this way up. So I'm just going to take one of my clips and we're going to place that there, and then we're going to take our black ribbon, or you can do any contrasting colour as you can imagine. We want to line this up so the edges are here, and we want to take this version, we want to pop that across that corner there and move that over. Now with regards to this, you can do whichever colour you want over. So we want it so that the boo is the one across, but you can do it so you can do that one in front instead. So what I do is I always line it up so that the edges all layer together, and you want it tight against the loops so that your loops are even. Now you can take this clip, bring that across here, across that corner there, and then I take another one, pop that across the corner there, and make sure that everything is squared off nicely in the back like this. And then I take my needle and thread, and a little trick for you, because with your template most of them start where you've got your point here. So what I do to start off is from above where the cross like triangle is to start, I go through both of those layers and then lift my template open. You can take your needle through and bring it through there for your start stitch, which is number 1. We're going to do 6 stitches in total. You can do 8, whichever you prefer, but 6 or 8 works. So that's 2. 3. 4. 5. And number 6 is up from beneath where the triangle is the opposite side. There you go, and try and do your stitches nice and even, and then you can take your clips off here and you can pull your template from beneath like that, and then as you can see. I'll just show you. 1, 2, 3 on the back, in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on the front, and that's how you get your 3 creases. So if you cinch together like this, there's your 3, and then wrap your thread around a few times to get that nice and tight on the centre, and then thread that off in the back however you personally prefer. Okay, so that's all done there, so we can cut that bit off. Okay, and then I'll just make sure my ears are even, well, loops are even, and that my sides are even. So I'm just going to give this like a little shaping, and I like to do a little curve, but a lot of people prefer the spikes on the chair bow. Now it's entirely personal preference, so if you prefer the curve, do the curve. If you like the spikes, do the spikes. Whichever works for you, as long as you heat seal them, it's absolutely fine. But obviously the more traditional chairs do have the spikes, so like the, so we heat seal. There we go, and then we're going to just attach a clip to the back, same as normal, and then I'll show you how to attach the, that would help if I didn't get glue absolutely everywhere, and then could find one of my longer clips. Bit of glue across the back, pop that across there, just let that settle a minute. As you can see, I've got some matching 9mm there, so I'm just going to heat seal the end. Tiny touch of glue, open your clip back up, centre that, and then I like to wrap mine round twice. So once round, open your clip back up, bring it round again, cut that off, and remember this process will work with any style of bow that you can hide the lights in, as long as you've got access to turn them on or access to tap them on, depending on which style you manage to find. If I can find the flashing ones for the UK, I will add them, but like I said, I've got these like little cute bullet ones, so that's what they look like. Make sure you've got your edge, you can do them up or down, just make sure the on-off switch is in a place where your customer or the person wearing the bow can reach to turn them on and off. Now the thing I do is I've got this Gorilla contact glue which has got a firmer hold, so in the middle on the back, just one side, not both, I'm going to put a little bit of that because this takes about 24 hours to set. So just put that bit in the middle, and then with my glue gun I'm just going to add that side for now, and then turn it like this, open your loop up, place it where you want it. Like I said, I do it a little bit in but not too far so you can reach them, and press that down so it holds on that side, and then lift it up where you've got it settled, as you can see, and with your glue gun pop that over, and again just shift it so it's nice and flat against there, and then we're going to repeat on this side again. A little bit of the Gorilla Glue on the back, not masses, we don't want tons of the stuff so it gloops everywhere, just a little bit of your glue gun so it holds while it completely and utterly sets. Well, I've done that on the top layer. You have to, excuse me, but it'll work either way. Pop it in far enough that you can still reach it, and then on this one you can do the glue on the back. There you go. Stick that down both sides. Move all your glue stringers if you've got any, like myself. And there you go. There is 2 light up chair bows. Let's turn them both on again. And there's one. There's that side. One side. 2 sides. And turn the light off. Oop. Actually off, not. There we go. Glow in the dark light up bows. Thanks for watching everyone. Bye.